Today, I'm going to be showing you how to install our ECCPP upgraded tow mirror. First, you remove the door handle to better access the screw behind it. Once removed, you can work your way up and remove the screws that hold the top and bottom of the door. That way, we can access the bolts that hold the mirror in place. Once all the screws are removed, we just lift the door panel up a bit to remove it. From there, we can go ahead and remove the wire plug and bolts holding the mirror in place. Once the bolts and plug are removed, we can go ahead and line up the new mirror and plug in the wiring and tighten up all the bolts. With the mirror firmly attached, we can go ahead and place the door panel on by lining it up and making sure it fits just as well as when you removed it. Once the door panel is on, we can go ahead and install a door handle and tighten the screws that attach the door panel to the door. Once everything is complete, the final product should look something like this. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.